my dear students of standard 6th. Already we have started our 9th chapter SCF and LCM. And in previous video you have seen how to find out factors of given number and then how to find out common factors. So that we have finished practice set 23. Now in this video we are going to find out SCF, that is highest common factor. So whatever factors you will find out, you have to find out highest common factor from that. So what is the use of SCF in daily life? Suppose two strips are there of different length and we have to split that two strips in same length but into smaller sections. Okay, means highest common factor is equally distribute two or more sets of atoms into their largest grouping. Now we will see one example. Suppose two ropes are there. One is 8 meter long and another is 12 meter long. So what we want to do? We want to cut that rope into pieces of the same length. So what will be the maximum possible length of each piece? So here we have to find out SCF of these two numbers. For that what we have to do first? Factors of 8. So we will find out here factors of 8. So first factor of 8 is 1. Then 2 is also there. 2 4s are 8. 3 is not there. 4, yes, 4 2s are 8. 5 is also not there. 6 is also not there. Directly 8 is there. These are factors of 8. Now factors of 12. So factors of 12 are, first one is 1. Then 2 is there. 3 4s are 12. So 3 is also there. 4 is also there. 5 is not there. 6 is there. And directly 12 is there. So these are factors of 12. Now we will find out common factors. Okay. Now see common factors. First 1 is common. So we will write 1 here. Then 2 is common. So we will write 2. Now 4 is common. So 4 also is written here in common factors. So which are common factors? 1, 2 and 4. Any another it is there? No. Now we have to find out highest common factor from that. Highest common factor, and highest common factor means SCF. Here I have written GCF also, means greatest common factor also you can say to that. Otherwise GCD also we are saying to that, it is greatest common divisor. Okay, so we will find out highest common factor from this. Which one is highest? Yeah, 4 is highest. So highest common factor is 4. Means what? The maximum possible length of each piece of rope is 4 meter. Simple. So you got it? Why to find out SCF or GCD? Yes. Okay. Now we will see some examples from practice set also. Practice set 24. First question. Find the SCF of the following numbers. And in that first example is 45 and 30. Now we will find out factors of 45 and 30. So first we will write factors of 45. So first factor of 45, you know always first factor is 1. Then is it factor of 45 2? No, because in place 5 is there. 3, yes, 3 is there because 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 is in 3's table. So factor of 45 is 3. Same way factor, next factor is 5, then 9, then 15, then 45. So you have to find out such a way. You have to try for every number, and if it is factor, if it is completely divisible, you have to write that number there. Okay. Now we will see factors of 30. First is 1, then 2 is also there, 3 is also there. Is the 4 factor of 30? No, 4 7s are 28 and 4 8s are 32. Next factor is 5 and then 15 and last factor is 30. Okay. Now we will find out common factors. So which are common factors? 1. Then is 2 both where? No. Now 3 is there. So 3 is there. 5 is common, and then 15 is common. So these 4 factors are common, that we will write here. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now which is highest common from that? These are common factors, and which is highest from that? 15 is highest. So we will write here highest common factor, that is SCF is equal to 15. Okay, simple. Now we will see second example from that. 16 and 48. Now we will find out factors of 16. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 3 is not there. 4, yes, 4 4s are 16. 5 is not there. 6, in 6 table 16 is there? No. 7 is also not there. 8 is there. Then 16 is there. Okay. So these are factors of 16. Now we will write factors of 48. So factors of 48 are, first is 1, then 2, then 3. Why 3 is there? 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 is in 3's table. So 3 is also factor of 48. Then 4, yes, 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 5, no, because in its place 8 is there. 6, yes, 6 is there. 7 is not there. 8 is there. Then 16 is there. Then 24 is also there. And then 48. So we want to find out highest common factor. So here from factors of 16, 16 is highest. So here also, if till 16 we will find out, then also we will get answer. So if we will not find out these next 2 factors, then also it's okay. Okay. Now common factors. So here we will write common factors. So which are common? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. That we will write here 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now we will see which one is highest from that. Which one is highest? 16 is highest. So SCF is 16 and 48 is 16. Highest common factor is 16. So SCF is equal to also 16. Okay. Now see third example. 39 and 25. So factors of 39. Yes, 1 is there. 2 is not there. Unit place 9 is there. So 2 is not there. 3. 9 plus 3, 12. Yes, 3 is factor of 39. 4 is also not there. 5 is also not there. Yes, 16, 6 is also not there. 7, 8, 9, 10, no. 11 also not there. 12, no. 13, directly 13. 13 3s are 39. And then factor of, next factor is directly 39. Now we will find out factors of 25. First is 1. 2 is there? No. 3 is also not there. 4 is there? 4. No. 5. Yes. 5 5s are 25. And then directly 25. So we will see common from that. So what is the common factor? See here. Yes. Only 1. Only 1 is common factor. So here we will write common factor. That is 1. So SCF is also 1. Highest common factor means only 1 is there. So here we can write SCF is also 1. So why SCF is 1? Because 39 and 25 are co-prime numbers. And co-prime numbers have only one common factor, and that is also 1. Okay. So you have to remember that SCF of co-prime number is always 1. Okay. Now fourth one is 49 and 56. So factors of 49 are, yes, 1 is there, then 7 is there, and then 49. So factors of 56. Factors of 56 are, first one is 1, then 2. Is the 3? 5 plus 6, 11? No. 11 is not in 3's table. Then 4 is there. 5, 6, it is not there. Then 7 is there. Yes, 7 is there. Then 8 is also there, because 8 7s are 56. Then 14. Then 28. And then 56. So here we will find out common factors. Yes, which are common? 1, 2 is not there. 7. Yes, 7 is there. 949 is not there. So here common factors are 1 and 7. So which one is highest common factor from that? Yeah, 7. So SCF is 7. And this is our answer. That is SCF is equal to 7. Okay. So here in your practice set 24, question number 1, find the SCF of following numbers. 10 examples are given. So many examples are given and that examples are there for your practice. If you solve more examples, you will get more practice. So now you understood how to find out SCF. Okay. So now try to solve remaining examples. Next video we will see these word problems based on SCF. Okay. Will you try to solve? Okay. If you have any problem in these 10 examples, you can ask me in comment also. I will answer your every question. So complete all these 10 examples till here and practice well. Bye bye. Have a nice day.